Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. Now this particular video I'm making just to inform you regarding the extension of the date of online submission form for the CSIR NET June 2020 exam. Okay. Now the earlier the dates were supposed to be ending on 15th of May, that is today itself, but now NT has decided to extend these days. So here is the website of your NTA. You can see over here they are under this current events. You have this link of extension slash revision of the dates for the submission of online form for various examinations conducted by NTA. So I am just showing you over here just to reach out more and more people, because I have already posted it on the community tab and many of you might already know about it, but I just wanted to reach it up to maximum person as possible. So that's why I'm creating this video. So if you click on this particular link, you will get out through this particular file handler PDF file, where you will get to see that there is extension or slash revision of the dates of submission of online form. And actually the date has been like the earlier dates. The form started to be accepted from 16th of March, so you could have like you were having access to submit the form from 16th of March, and it was supposed to be ended on 15th of May, which is today, but they have extended it, and now the extended date is actually 31st of May. So you got extra 15 days to fill the form. So this has been done in order to like just keeping this mind in that the situation of COVID and people are not getting access to internet and all the things. So because of that, this date has been extended. I hope you will take the most of it, and I hope that most of you might have already filled the form. So yeah, that's all for this video. It was just an informative video just to provide you about just to provide this information about this extension of date. Now one more thing, that I have created a Telegram group for discussion, and that is open for all of you. So if you guys are interested into that, you can join that Telegram group where you can discuss questions among yourself, you can share questions, share PDFs, and there are many things which you can do in that particular group, right? So that is going to be a kind of discussion group which I have created on Telegram. So if you are interested into that, you can join that. The links are given in the description. So just check it out. So that's all for this particular video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and stay safe. Take care of yourself.